Religious faith traditionally has been used as a form of mind control. Through religion, we erroneously learn faith as believing without questioning. To even question means you're not a good believer. It's circular logic that causes you to dismiss your own logic and rationality to accept the absurd. The spiritual science behind this scripture, Hebrews 11 verse 1, the definition of faith, provides insight into its application. From a Kemetic science paradigm, faith is confidence in unseen possibilities and assurance that they will manifest. That knowledge makes it a tool for you to use when creating in your life. Fearful thinking means you have more faith in negative outcomes than positive ones. True Kemetic science focuses on learning skills to access your inner connection and wisdom to empower yourself. The science of faith can be a step-by-step process to help you create the life you desire, no longer serving as a tactic to turn off critical thinking. Faith is not an unquestioning belief. It's a mental tool for manifesting your life. Live life on your terms. You are powerful beyond belief.